Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. I'm pretty sure. This is Saymyeon. Now, myeon means noodle in Korean, and this is their kimchi variety. What's unique about this one is that the noodle cooks instantly. Like, are you ready? I don't need my timer. It's really quite ridiculous how quickly this is done. So here is the noodle pouch. I guess we need scissors. That's fine. Oh, somebody's Tamagotchi's going off. I hear a Tamagotchi yelping for attention in the background, folks. It's kind of ridiculous. My daughter has two of them. Okay. So we're going to drop in the noodle. As soon as it's ready. There we go. You're in. No, yeah. You're in there. And then we got this. Soup base. Drop that in. And then we've got the flake sachet, which I'm guessing is probably just going to be maybe some kimchi, but probably just green onion, flake, pepper. We got some other junk in there, but that's cool. Okay, now where is your fill line? I see you. All right. So we will fill you right to there. And now, all you got to do with this one is give it a stir. Basically, get the noodle ensconced in heat. And that is that. It's so cold, folks. How cold is it? Well, our window is right there, and I have a bunch of energy drinks that sit underneath a shelving unit over there. And it's so cold that I grabbed one towards the front, towards the inner sanctum of the Ramen Raider World Headquarters version 3.0, and it was cold. It's like, I've got a cold drink. I mean, it's bitter cold outside. Just saying, yet again. Like I said, and probably... So, this is Friday. I won't be doing any reviews this weekend, I don't think. So the next time I might do reviews might be Monday or Tuesday, depending. Hopefully I can, because, you know, there's been a cold that's kind of swept through our household, and my poor wife, she's had so many horrible things happen since she got COVID like 2 years ago. It really sucks, and she's gotten pneumonia like a couple times, and yeah. And she got breathing treatment and stuff done. And they're like, well, if it's bugging you, still bugging you, you know, come back and, you know. Well, it's, you know, they said like in a week. Well, it's been a week. And I'm just like, oh no, God. He's not good for anybody who gets pneumonia. So, yeah. Hopefully she feels better soon, but stuff like that, it worries the crap out of me. Noodle is done. And it's reasonably good. It's a soft noodle. Come and have a look. There is our broth. And it's good. It tastes like kimchi. It's a little thin. That's all right. Let's try the veg. Oh, a little. There is kimchi in there. And it's crisp. This one is good. We got two varieties that I received from James from Lakeside, California. This one, and then one that was what do you call it? Janchi? I can't remember what the deal is. It's like just straight up anchovy flavor. The cook time on this is like unrivaled. I remember there was a brand that came out with like super speedy noodles that are supposedly cooked in like 2 minutes, and that was like an amazing deal. But this is like ridiculously fast. I stirred it longer than I needed to. I just wanted it to break up better. Yeah. A little bit of seed. And pretty much I'm kind of one-trick pony in this one. A little bit of... It's kind of like what I put on this last one. And I think that's good. Oh, bean sprouts, you say? I should, because this is the last day of the bean sprouts, and I think this is basically the last one I can possibly put bean sprout on. Maybe, I don't know, the next one might work. Are these still good? No, they're not good. Well, I used as much. That's the thing. Bean sprouts are a really, really angry kind of animal. They live fast and they die young, and they don't. Mung bean sprouts just ain't into it. So, yeah. There you go. Look at that. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is by a company called Meat Me of Malaysia, and this is their chili wonton mee. There are other varieties that I've had have been absolutely sensational, awesome stuff, and this is the last variety that I have of theirs to review. I think I've had everything that they actually make, which is really nice, so thanks to them for sending it along. If you haven't already yet, like, subscribe, and do the notification thing, because if you like my videos, there's one a day. Okay? If it's the only time I really don't do a video of this show every day is, like, say it's August 31st and the next day is the 1st, I'll either skip the 31st or I'll skip the 1st. This basically makes it a lot easier. Like, I think this is coming out like May 9th? No. Let's say I had an episode coming that was like number 2069. I'd want that to come out on a day that ended with a 9. That'd make it so much easier, and it does. It eliminates screw-ups. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.